So once again, it's a synthetic puncher. Even though it's definitely got a hole in there now. What's that?
Just a bit of glue.
Glue. Beautiful. Oh yeah, just give it a pull through. Oh yeah, nice. That's it, she's through. There's a big fat sloppy one out that side, isn't it? What is it in here? Oh yeah. And that gets massaged down or something, does it, on the inside? Cut the outside off, beautiful. That's a bit of a sloppy cut there, mate. Is that the best you can do? How long you been doing these for?
25 years.
So you reckon you're probably alright out there, mate?
Should be good by now.
How long's the glue take to dry?
About an hour.
Already done. Good to go. Happy days.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bit of a sealer over the top, huh? That's like the backup plan in case that plan A didn't work, plan
That's
B.
it.
Nice. Beautiful. Okay, any bubbles? Soap and water, just make sure. Beautiful. Look at that. Was that blowing bubbles?
That's alright.
Oh, what's that? I saw a little bubble there. Just joking.